Welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab. I'm Badamosi Omolola. And if you've ever said, "Why didn't they teach us about money in school?" You're not alone. Drop a comment with your biggest money regret from school. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell and comment. This lesson could change your life. They taught us equations, English, and history dates. But skipped credit scores, debt, and saving. No wonder most adults feel lost with money. But today we're fixing that with 10 real-world money lessons schools never taught. Let's go there. They made us believe that budgeting is boring. But in the real world, budgeting is your freedom plan. It's not about restrictions. It's about intentional spending. It's how broke people build wealth quietly and consistently. If you earn 300,000 naira, or $700 a month, and you don't budget it, without a budget, your money disappears. And you don't even know where it went. You might spend 80% before week 2. So here's your challenge. Use the 50, 30, 20 rule this month. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or investment. Coming up, the 3-second habit that could have saved you thousands.
Before you pay rent, bills, or buy food, pay you. Because if you don't, life will spend your money for you. That means, save before you spend. Set up automatic transfers every payday. Waiting for more money to start saving is the biggest trap. Even if it's just 5,000 naira or $10. Start small and build big. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Here's the magic. If you save 10,000 naira per month, that's 120,000 naira in 1 year. In just 5 years, 600,000 naira. All without lifting a finger. That slow stack of savings becomes your freedom fund. Your future self will thank you and wonder why you didn't start sooner. Up next, the trick schools never taught. How to make money while you sleep.
Trading time for money? It's not enough anymore. You stop working, your income stops. Unless you've built something that works while you sleep. Money freedom isn't magic, it's built, not wished for. That's why passive income matters. In this internet age, anyone anywhere can earn 24/7. Even while you sleep. What does it look like? Rent out a room. Sell Canva templates. Earn from music, books, or a YouTube channel like this one. Even a small blog can make you money on autopilot. Pick one passive income idea today. Start small, stay consistent, scale fast. Passive income works for you. Active income depends on you. Over 80% of millionaires have 3 or more income streams. Up next, the dark truth about credit cards. No one warned us about. They never explained what credit really is. So we swipe first and suffer later. Here's the truth. Credit isn't free money, it's rented money with a price. It builds your life or breaks it depending on how you use it. The banks won't warn you, but compound interest never sleeps. Every swipe is a contract. Every delay is a cost. If you borrow 200,000 naira at 35% interest, that's 70,000 naira extra just gone. But you can flip the script. Use credit like the rich do. Only borrow what you can repay. Pay your card in full always. And know your credit score like your bank balance. Coming up next. Ever wondered how the rich pay fewer taxes than you? Let's uncover the game. They skip taxes in school. But in real life, taxes will find you and take a huge bite. You could lose 30% of your income without even noticing. Here's a real example. Earn $1,000 a month in the United Kingdom. You might lose over $300 to taxes if you don't plan ahead. Now imagine this. You get a raise at work, but end up in a higher tax bracket that eats it all. More money but no real gain. And the worst part? Most people have no idea it's happening. So what can you do? Learn about tax deductions. Track your expenses carefully. And yes, even a small side business can unlock powerful tax benefits. The tax code isn't just for the rich. It's a tool if you know how to use it. Coming up next, let's talk about the real reason some people stay broke, even when they start earning more money.
Lesson 6. Money mindset matters more than math. Being good at math won't make you rich, but believing you deserve wealth and acting on it just might. You can earn 2 million naira per year and still stay broke. If you're always thinking, I'm not good with money, your income isn't the problem, your mindset is the gatekeeper. Money flows where belief grows. So if you think like a broke person, you'll act like a broke person, even with money in your hands. Tip of the day. Rewrite your money story. Tell yourself, I'm learning. I'm growing. I'm building wealth. Speak it. Practice it. Believe it. Because the mind is the first bank account. And if that account is empty, nothing else you earn will ever feel like enough. Next, the one rule of money that almost guarantees wealth. Lesson 7. The rich invest early. Not big. You don't need big money to start investing. You just need time and consistency. Here's the math. If you invest 10,000 naira every month, starting at age 20, you could grow it into over 10 million naira by retirement. All thanks to the quiet magic of compound interest. It's not about having a lot of money. It's about giving your money a lot of time. Start small, but smart. Begin with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Or try robo-advisors and micro-investment apps. Your first investment might feel tiny, but your future self will thank you. And now the most painful money trap school completely ignored.
A phone loan. A fancy car. A party dress, bought on credit. Sounds harmless, but it adds up. Real story. A 24-year-old in the United Kingdom took out 3 buy now pay later items in just 6 months. She had over £1,200 in debt and no plan to pay it. Here's the truth. Good debt builds income, like a loan for your business or education. But bad debt? It builds stress, like luxury spending you can't afford. Borrow to grow, not to impress. Avoid high-interest loans like they're fire. Delay gratification because wealth grows in patience. How do we protect ourselves in uncertain times? One job is risky. 2 streams equals peace. 3 equals power. Need ideas? Try freelancing, print on demand, online tutoring, or social media monetization. Bulbs start with 1, expand slowly. Imagine this. You earn 250,000 naira monthly from your job. Then add 50,000 from a side hustle. That's security even if one stream dries up. Money confidence comes from options. Not having all your eggs in one income basket. Your job pays the bills, but your side hustle funds the future. More streams equals more control. And control is where true wealth begins. The final lesson might just be the most important one of all.
We rise by lifting others. Teach your siblings, children, and friends. Help them break financial struggles. Example. A teen saving 20,000 naira monthly from age 18 to 60 could retire with millions just from consistency and compound growth. Money shared is money mastered. Teaching makes you smarter too. Build wealth. Multiply impact. Light others, your flame stays bright. Final recap coming next, the 1-minute blueprint to stay rich for life.
Which of these lessons hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comments right now. And if there's a money lesson you wish schools taught you, tell me. I might just turn it into a video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell icon and turn on all notifications. And double check your phone settings so you never miss out. Like this video if you got value. Comment your favorite tip. Share this with a friend who needs it. And explore the playlist. We've covered some of these lessons in full already.